how to close all running apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are there many running apps on your iPhone and you want to close it? Then you're in the right place. I'll teach you how. So, to close the running apps on your iPhone, you'll need to swipe up from the very bottom of your screen to access the app switcher. So you can see that all the apps that is turned on is seen here. Now to close an app, you'll need to swipe it up off the screen. So this can be done with one finger for individual apps. So you can choose two fingers to close it at once. However, there is no option to close all the apps at the same time. So you have to use your fingers and then close the apps one by one. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.